thanks for tuning in with us at Fit Conway. My name's Dion and welcome to Metabolic Effect. This will be roughly about 30 to 40 minutes of a high intensity rest-based workout. So I'd like you to push as hard as you can and then rest completely and then rejoin the class whenever you're ready. Okay, there will be scheduled breaks in the class, but the idea of this session is that you push yourself as hard as you can and then take the rest whenever you like, okay? And let the class carry on and then just rejoin when you're ready. You're in charge, it's your workout, okay? So you can choose any exercise to replace any exercise that's offered. Okay, they are just suggestions, folks. Like I say, it's your workout. Do what you can. Okay, you don't need any equipment for this workout, but if you do have a set of dumbbells or a mat, brilliant. But you could also improvise by filling up a couple of bottles of water, or if you have a kettlebell, or if you've got some weight plates, anything like that, you can just. But again, make sure that they are safe to use. And again, it comes around to the environment that you're in as well. You need to make sure you've got plenty of space around you and make sure that you're not going to bang into anything or any pets are going to come in and clock one in the head. You've got to make sure that everywhere is safe because we will be moving around a little bit. So you do make sure, please make sure that you are safe as well. And finally, if you have any injuries or limitations at all, please refer to any alternative exercises that I'll offer during the workout as well, or choose any exercise that you're happy to use instead of any exercise that's offered. But if you're ever in doubt during the workout, just stop and rest, okay? Let the class carry on. As soon as there's something that pops up and you think that you'd like to rejoin, then please do, okay? You don't have to do every exercise. I want you to rest during this workout. All right, so without further ado, we'll get started and we'll have a nice warm-up. Alright folks, so we want to have a nice little warm-up, so let's just march up and down on the spot just to begin with. Okay, so let's shake those arms, those wrists, so we're nice and loose. Let's get those shoulders rolling as well. Bring those arms into it, folks. Nice big rotations, keep marching. Move your neck, head up and down, and bring those arms forward as well. As you're coming back, I want you to squeeze your shoulder blades together. And shake it back. Now we're going to get up onto our toes a little bit, but again, just loosen up, just bounce from side to side. Sometimes during the workout as well, I'll be changing angle that I'll be exercising at. You don't have to do that, it's just so you can have a different angle of what the exercise might look like. Alright? Now we'll just start bringing those knees up a little bit into a bit of a jog. So keep this going if you're comfortable with this movement, but again, as an alternative exercise, you can have your hands on your hips and you can march on the spot if you like, or you can just walk if you like, but if you want to, keep doing that full movement and keep those knees up. Now we're going to go into those jumping jacks. So nice wide base with the feet, arms right over your head. But again, as an alternative, ladies and gents, you can do a side step. Continue with those big movements with those arms above your head. Big movements. But again, the full movement is that full jumping jack. Now let's shake that out. Nice wide base on the legs into that spinal twist. Swing your arms around from side to side. And make sure you're coming up onto that back toe there. Make sure you're twisting to just relieve the pressure in the hips. And there's another good opportunity while we're doing this to just survey the area that you're in, making sure, double checking that environment that you're in is nice and safe. Make sure your water bottles to the side and out of the way. And let's shake that out. Nice wide base on the legs again. Hands on top of the thighs. Push your backside out and drop down to one side. Keep those elbows in nice and tough. Move up and over. And now nice and smooth. You're going to come up and over, nice and smooth. smooth. Again, just to change the angle, keep going if you're still doing it. But again, in that position, push your backside out and drop down. Try and keep a nice neutral spine position whilst you're doing this. Push your backside out as far as it feels comfortable to do so. Let's shake that out, folks. Let's get back up onto our toes again. Shake it out, loosen up. There we go. Back into a nice little jog. Couple more jumping jacks. So again, use those alternatives. There we go. And now we're going to do some squats. Shake that out, folks. Some nice squats. So feet hip to shoulder width apart, toes pointing forwards, chest nice and upright, shoulders back. Tense those out the whole time. Push your bum out, sit through those heels, drive up. Push your backside out, drive up. Again, keep going if you've already started, but from a different angle. Push down, sit as low as you feel comfortable, drive up. Again, as an alternative, you could just go halfway down. A nice half squat. As that you're at home, you can utilise a chair if you like, so you've got that support. So you could do a sit to stand, so you get a chair, sit on the chair, and then just stand up. And again, make sure that if we're going to do high intensity movements, you remove the chair, make sure that that isn't going to affect your workout. And let's shake that out. Let's do some lunges now. So a big step, engage that core, drop down and drive back up. Big step forward, drop down and drive up. Nice and smooth. Again, as an alternative to these lunges, you can do a backward lunge. A backward lunge offers a little less impact. You've got a little bit more scope for control, so you could do a back step instead of a full backward lunge, or instead of a forward lunge. If you're still lunging, keep going. We're warming up. Drive up. Again, from that forward angle. As I come down, I want that knee to follow that leading toe, or push the knee out slightly. Because the last thing we want to happen is that knee to come across the body. Drive that leg out, nice and smooth. Let's shake that out now. Get into some leg swings. Gently swing a leg up, quick change of feet, and swing the other leg up. Again, that's an alternative, just take your time. Just go nice and low if you like. Nice and low. But if you can, try and get a bit of a twist in there now. You can get arms over that leading leg. Alright, and now let's do some press ups. So, if you have a mat, fantastic. You can have your hands on the mat. Full movement, feet together, hands just under the shoulders, or you can have a wider grip for the chest. Smooth and slow on the way down, power on the way up. Nice and smooth, power on the way up. As an alternative, go onto those knees. Nice and smooth, power on the way up. Control on the way down. And again, full movement. Nice and smooth. Don't let your hips drop down, keep your bum nice and high if you're not too sure. As another alternative, keep going if you're still doing the press-ups. And another alternative, you can go onto your back with your dumbbells and do the slides. Alright, let's make your way up onto your toes. Make your way up onto your toes, shake it off. And take on that water. If you haven't got any water with you, press pause, go grab some, and come back. going to go through a list of exercises, each one are around about 30 seconds each. Like I said, rest whenever you want, okay? Let the class carry on, rejoin when you're ready. Grab those dumbbells, ladies and gents. We're going to start off with a 1/2 push squat into some lateral raises and into some backward lunges. So, a 1/2 push squat is 1, halfway up, back down, and a push at the top. Into some lateral raises, into some backward lunges that we did in the warm-up. Are we ready? So shake it out. And we're going to start in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, shoulders back, dumbbells up, down we go, halfway up, back down, and push. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth through this exercise. It's the first one. Find your range that you're happy to work in. We'll be doing this 3 times. Off we go. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, lateral raises. Strong stance, shoulders apart, shoulders back, chest up. Dumbbells just above shoulder height. Nice and smooth. As an alternative, one dumbbell to a nice frontal raise. Whatever it might be, or again, take that rest. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, backward lunge. Drop down, pause at the bottom with a curl. Backward lunge, drop down, and curl. Make sure that leading knee is away from the body. Your shoulders are back, your chest up, abs are tense. As an alternative, you can go into a backward step. Or you can do the full backward lunge and a curl at the top. Keep going, unless you're taking that rest. If you're resting, ignore me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back into that 1. Half. Push squat. 1. Half. Push squat. And pick up the pace a little bit now. A little bit faster. Elbows underneath those dumbbells. That's it. Find that range. Again, you could just go to a squat pulse. Entirely up to you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lateral raises. Shoulders back, chest up. Strong stance. Nice and smooth. Again, we've got those alternatives. One dumbbell rather. Or you can rest. Finally up to you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, backward lunge and curl. The pause at the bottom. Backward lunge and curl. Shoulders back. Abs tensed. Nice and smooth. Or the alternative, you've got a back step and a curl. Entirely up to you. We're going to go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, half, push squat, 1, half, push squat. You know what you do right now, folks? Off we go. Elbows underneath those dumbbells. Drive up as low as you comfortably can. Nice and smooth. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Lateral raises. Shake out those legs. Chest up. Off we go. Don't need to go too high with these dumbbells. Keep your chin up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Backward lunges. Big step back. Drop down. And curl. Third time we're doing this. You know what to do. Again, you've got those backward steps. Or you've got the curl at the top. Entirely up to you. Full. Movement. Pulls at the bottom. Get that weight on that front leg. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Dumbbells to one side. We're going to go to a squat. Up. And then jump. Squat. Use your arms. Jump. Squat. Use your arms. Jump. As an alternative, you've got squat pulses. Over to squeeze your bum. Squeeze those quads. Again, full movement. Use those arms. Up, down into that squat. And then back up. Down. Up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High knees. Nice and upright. Use those arms. Nice and upright. As an alternative. Hands on the hips. Lift those knees up. Come on, folks. Keep driving. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squat. Hold. Shoulders back. Nice and low. Squeeze your glutes. Squeeze your quads. Try and stay upright. If you have a chair, just try and keep yourself just a few inches off that chair. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, or that partial squat. Keep going. Ignore my timing. And then we're going to go into side jumps. So we need to come up, use those arms again. Down. Try and use your arms for momentum. Use your arms for that timing. Up and over. Again, as that alternative comes, hands on the hips. Down into those side squats. But again, squat pulses. Keep jumping if you're jumping. We're going to keep going for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's that first segment done, ladies and gents. Alright, round 2, folks. We're going into that second segment. You're not going to need your dumbbells until later on. Okay, so you can put them aside, at least for the first, I'd say, 6 or 7 exercises. Then you're going to need them. Okay, so we're going to do mountain climbers into a squat hold and a press up and downward dog. So if you have a mat, have that nearby. Okay, so we're going to go into those mountain climbers. So, full mountain climber with that press up position, weight over the shoulders, and you're going to bring those knees up to the chest, or if you like, you can have it come across the body. Whatever you might like. Then we're going to go into that squat hold that we did earlier, squat hold position, and then into that press up and downward dog. So press up, backside up, into a press up again. So downward dog, press up. If there's any yogis out there, please don't word them a downward dog. Just do something that resembles a downward dog. Are we ready? Mountain climbers in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, off we go. Knees up to the chest or as high as you feel comfortable. Weight over the shoulders. Again, you can get that across the body if you like. As an alternative, high hips. Step it in. Or as another alternative, all fours. Push up. Squeeze your abs. Tense your backside. All full movement for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On our toes into that squat hold. Squeeze your quads, squeeze your glutes. Sit into that squat. Again, I want you to squeeze your glutes. It's so important, folks. Squeeze your backside. Engage those glutes. And hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, press up into downward dog. You got that press up, backside up, into that downward dog, back into that press up again. We can have a wider base. You really want to try and push those heels down into that press up. But again, as an alternative, if you have a mat, you could do that downward dog and then onto the knees for that pressure, like we did in the warm-up. Downward dog, onto the knees for that pressure. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. It's that mountain climbers exercise again, folks. Again, weight over those shoulders. Knees to the chest, and again, as an alternative, high hips. Step it in, or on all fours. If you did the legs last time, you can do the arms. Keep that head down. Squeeze those shoulders when you're in that position. Go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. On our toes, it's that squat hold again. Squeeze those quads, squeeze your glutes, and go down. And hold. Abs engaged if you can. I want those abs tense. As soon as you get to a point, if you can't hold them anymore, they're down here. Or if you're in a position you've got a real arch in your spine, don't go that low. Tense, drop down and hold where you can still tense. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Press up, downward dog, and press up again. Press up, downward dog, press up. Nice and smooth. And again, as an alternative, you've got that downward dog. Onto the knees. Split the movement. Press up. Downward dog. And for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Into that squat hold. Off we go. We're going in reverse now, folks. Trying to keep you on your toes. So you might be thinking of mountain climbers coming next. I don't make mistakes. And for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, mountain climbers. We'll see how many of you are awake on that last exercise. Knees to the chest, or step it in, or twist again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're doing those squat side steps. So down, step, down, step. If you want, you can have that kettlebell or those dumbbells to the chest. Don't forget, you should be resting. I want you to rest, folks. I get to show you alternatives. Whichever exercise you choose, I want you to push and then rest. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. If you haven't already got them, grab those dumbbells. Shoulders back. Chest up, strong stance. 1. Halfway down. Back up. 1. Half. Lateral raises. 1. Half. Lateral raises. Here we go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Walkout press-ups. Start up in that downward dog position. We're going to go into that press-up. And then we're going to walk up, if we can, to the stand-up position. Take your time. Press up. Walk up. Stand tall. Back down. Take your time. Go as fast as you can if you like. Super fast. Push up. Straight down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Low backward lunges into a partial squat. Into 9. Backward lunges. And we stay low. Stay low. Don't come all the way up. Stay in that partial squat. Nice and smooth. Front position. Make sure that knee doesn't come across. It goes away. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And rest. Shake it out. Grab that water. Big deep breaths. Big deep breaths. Walk around if you like. Got a bit of space. Walk around your back. Walk around your living room. There we go. Woo! Keep those shoulders moving. Never stay still. Keep moving, folks. We're going to get ready. This last segment. 3 exercises. For the last segment, folks, like I said, 3 exercises that we're going to do. 2 high jumps into 2 split jumps. Then we're going to go into a walking plank, up and down, and then into some burpees and then rest. Okay, so the full movements, again, you can move those dumbbells to the side. And then we're going to do 2 high jumps. So 2 high jumps. Or if we've got a low ceiling, you can do a little star jump if you like. Up into that star jump. And then we're going to go into 2 split jumps. So second set, 1, 2. And then set 2 high jumps into 2 split jumps. That walking plank, again, if you have a mat, brilliant. We're going to go to a nice wide base with the legs. And we're going to come down, taking your time, into that walking plank. Then we're going to go into those burpees. I like to think most people know what they are. Lovely things. We're going to go down, up, into a burpee, like that. There are different versions. We're going to do a nice jumping jack at the top. I'll give alternatives. Quick sip before we start. I've lost or losing my voice. So, 2 high jumps, 2 split jumps. Are we ready? Alternatives are coming. 3, 2, 1, 2. High jumps. Set. 2. Split jumps. Set. 2. High jumps. 2. Split jumps. Alternatives. 2 squats. 2 back steps. 2 squats. 2 back steps. We're going to go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Into that walking plank. Feet nice and wide. We're going to go down. Back up. And down. Back up. Take your time. As an alternative, make sure those knees are on that mat. Hopefully yours isn't rolling up. On the knees. Push up. And down. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, burpees now. Straight away. Burpees, jumping jack. Fire them out. As an alternative, step your way through. Step through. Side step. Step through. Side step to the other side. Like we did at the beginning. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High jumps. Into split jumps. 1, 2. High jumps. Split jumps. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walking plank. Up and down. Come on. Don't forget the alternative. Again, as an alternative, another one. Drop on the spot. Any alternative you want. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Burpees again. Off we go. Fire out. As an alternative, step through. Side step. 2 this time. Down. Come on. We're going to finish after this one, so let's give it all. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And finish. Woo! Walk around your mat. Big deep breaths, folks. Don't forget that water. Stay nice and tall. If you've given it all on that last one, you'll be tempted to stay on the floor. So don't. Rise up. Keep your chest up. Breathe in through your nose. Out with your back. Keep moving, folks. Don't stay still. We're going to go to a nice cool down now. Big deep breath. Keep moving. If you're walking around your room, shoulders back, like we did in the beginning. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. Let's go forwards now. Big deep breaths. Nice shaking out. Nice wide base on the legs. Into those spinal twists. Again, like we did at the beginning. Nice and upright. Nice and upright. Twisting up onto that back foot to relieve the pressure in the hips. Nice and easy. Let's shake it out again. Nice and wide with the legs again. Hands on top of the thighs. Push your backside away and sit down. Push your bum out. Let's go up and over. Keep going. Up and over again. A side angle. Push your bum away. Let's go up and over. Shake that out. We're going to do those quads. So, hold on to something. Top of a chair, your couch, door frame. Grab those laces if you can. If not, grab on the socks. Chest up and change. Again. Grab those laces, knees together. There is a temptation to lean forward when you pull on the heel. But as you pull back, raise your chest. Drive your hips forward. And shake that up. We're going to do the calves now. So a big step back. Drive that heel into the floor. Try and make sure that both toes are pointing in the same direction. There is a temptation for our back foot to kick out. Make sure that they follow each other. Again, you could push against the wall and keep that back heel down. So again, against the wall, if you like, drive that heel back and pushing against the floor. Shake that out. Now we're going to go onto the floor. We're going to go onto all fours. We're going to sit back onto those heels. You're going to walk forward as far as you can. Try and keep your head down, your chin in, and keep walking with those hands. Then I want you to come forward, along the ground if you like. The elbows, drive up to that position. And look up. As an alternative, instead of coming along the ground, just bring yourself up and drop your hips forward to what's comfortable. If it's uncomfortable, try and widen the base. The hands as you go up to that position. Or you could just stay down. So if you're in that position, we're going reverse, back down, push back on those palms, sit back onto those heels, and one more time we're going to crawl forward. Once you've crawled as far forward as you can, we're going to come nice and upright through the spine, bring your hips forward, chin down still. You're going to roll those shoulders in both directions. Make your way up onto your toes. You're going to shake that out. And that concludes the workout for this evening. It's the first one back, so it will get harder, I promise you, as my fitness levels rise. Thank you very much for joining us here at Fit Conway. Stay safe out there, folks, and we will see you very, very soon. Take care.